Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews on top-rated products. Today, we're taking a close look at what many pet owners call the best dog food grain-free chicken, NutriSource Adult Dry Dog Food, Chicken and Rice Formula. If you're a dog parent looking for the right balance between quality ingredients, digestibility, and taste that dogs love, this one might just be the perfect fit. Stick around, because we're going to cover everything you need to know, from what's inside this bag, who it's for, and whether it's worth your money. Let's start with the brand behind the product, NutriSource. Known for producing premium pet food with a focus on health and nutrition, they've carved out a solid reputation among veterinarians and pet owners alike. Their products often prioritize gut health, coat quality, and overall vitality, and this adult formula is no different. This particular 12-pound bag of NutriSource adult chicken and rice is crafted specifically for adult dogs. Whether you've got a medium-sized rescue or a large breed friend, the formulation is designed to provide balanced, complete nutrition. It's not just about protein, it's about how all the ingredients come together to support your dog's well-being. The key highlight here is the main protein source, real chicken. It's supported by wholesome rice and other digestible grains to provide sustained energy throughout the day. There's no corn, wheat, or soy, making it a great choice for dogs with common grain sensitivities. And while it's technically not labeled grain-free, the focus here is on gentle, stomach-friendly ingredients, perfect for dogs that need something easy on digestion. NutriSource also adds their proprietary Good for Life supplements into the mix, a blend of prebiotics and probiotics to support gut health, immunity, and nutrient absorption. It's a thoughtful touch that goes beyond basic nutrition. Texture-wise, this dry food comes in granule form, not too large and not too small, making it easy for most adult dogs to chew and enjoy. The formula also promotes dental health with each crunch, helping to reduce plaque buildup over time. Another plus is consistency. Every bag delivers the same high-quality blend, which is crucial for dogs with sensitive stomachs. Switching foods too often can trigger reactions, so having a dependable formula like this makes meal planning simpler. As for packaging, the 12-pound size hits a sweet spot, large enough to last, but still easy to store. If you're trying this food for the first time, this size is a manageable way to test how your dog responds before committing to a larger bag. One thing to keep in mind, as of now, this item doesn't ship to all locations, including India, so you may want to double-check availability in your area before ordering. Now, let's talk about performance, or in this case, how dogs actually respond to it. While every dog is different, many owners report improved digestion, healthier stools, shinier coats, and higher energy levels after switching to this food. That speaks volumes about the quality of ingredients and how well balanced the formula is. It's not just about feeding your dog, it's about fueling their life with the right nutrition. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next breakdown of the best products on the market. See you next time.